For today's AR testing, we are reading I Can Be a Friend.
Me and My Friends. I Can Be a Friend. Written by Daniel Nunn. Illustrated by Claire Elsom. Being a friend. I share with my friend. Good friends share. I take turns with my friend. Good friends take turns. I tell the truth to my friend. Good friends tell the truth. I listen to my friend. Good friends listen. I care for my friend. Good friends care. I help my friend. Good friends help. I play nicely with my friends. Good friends play nicely. I have fun with my friends. Good friends have fun. Being friendly quiz. Which of these pictures shows being friendly? Did being friendly make these children happy? Why? Do you like being friendly?
I give it 5 stars. And now let's test the book.